There was mention about the songs and the music, beautiful music. My question is, you plinay ba kanina na tracks? Were you the actual person singing in the recording? And then dun sa actual show, will you doing the same thing? Or will you have live orchestra or -1? Or how are you going to do that?
For the future, we're going to do it live. Everyone here sings songs. We have a grand champion here down in Music Museum, world champion of performing arts medalist, and also performers in television as well. So for us, since we are given just 1 week to do this, some of them did it live, and some of them actually some of the songs they did live, and some actually may dance lang siya because he's actually a P-pop artist as well, Mr. Kairos. So since uso lang ngayon ng P-pop, we also have something in para mas in siya sa ating lahat ng generations.
Yes.
Yes, meron din pong kumanta ng recording like Justice Heart Boom 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 Boom. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi, I'm Ron. I want to ask a question to Miss Marge. So you mentioned that you wrote hundreds of songs from this. So,
I created.
yeah. I'm curious what your creative process was for writing the lyrics and writing the song.
Modern with AI. The future of music. You know that. Mawawala lahat ng mga singers and so on. AI will take over. That is for sure. Kahit na yung mga generalist na doctors, mawawala yan. AI will take over. I'm sorry. That's reality. I think you know that. But the lyrics is my lyrics. AI will never say, I will do it for you. You let AI follow you, not you follow AI. Never. You let AI follow the human, not the AI following the human following the AI. Nakita mo yung isang politician, nag-AI, speech. Di ba? Nalo mo yun? Pati yung sinabi ni AI na, okay, repeat again. Sinabi niya. Di ba? Remember that? But you don't do that. You let AI follow you and follow your feelings, follow your soul. You know what they said? That AI doesn't have any soul. It started like this. At the beginning, 100 songs I created with AI. At the beginning, I said, okay, I will use AI, no soul. Sabi nila lahat, walang soul daw si AI, di ba? So I created like this, I created like this. Then 3 o'clock in the morning in France. After 6 songs, AI is following my feelings, you know, my soul. I said, okay, AI, can you cry? AI can cry, you know that? I got, yung balahibo ko, tumaas. Kasi I said, sa future, no, wala nang singers. Marami nang mawawalan ng trabaho. I'm sorry for that. But you have to take care of it. Ilirespeto ninyo ang paggamit kay AI. Kasi it is a very, very dangerous tool. I think everybody understands. But did you hear the lyrics? It's not AI. It is from my soul. Diba?
Yes, from the soul, Miss Marge.
I'm Von Alimorong from the Philippines Graphic Magazine. So I just wanted to ask what was like the decision-making process when it comes to selecting the songs that would appear in the musical itself. Yun lang naman.
Well, for me, for us to be able to show the different characters, yun yung pinili namin mga songs. Like for Mr. Pilot, the Habibi My Love. Yes, it really shows the love to Mudifa and the heartache of Mudifa to the pilot, head of reels. Then the Prince, syempre, very important. Sino bang naka-experience na na-inlove ang isang prinsipe sa isang katulad na isang movie pa? It's really, grabe yung story na yun. It's really, for me, para siyang Disney na alam mo yun.
Yung tunay na kwento niya, nakikipag-date ako, hindi sa harap ng palasyo, bata pa kami noon. Nandun kami sa likod ng palasyo. Yung mga servants nandun kami nag-ahay. Ay, nakikita na si Gerard.
Hindi naman nakikinig.
Doon kami nag-ahay. Hindi sa harap ng palasyo. Kasi, siyempre, bata pa siya, bata pa rin ako. You're not allowed. Okay?
Yes, it's based on a true story.
True.
True story.
Ay, sige.
Hello po, Camilo, abilityh.com. Lahat po ba yung 100 songs, hundreds of songs would be included or selected? How many would be would go into the play?
Since we're actually eyeing to have like 2 to almost 3 hours of show for theater play, so probably that would take around how many songs? For 1 hour is around 4 minutes to 6 minutes per song. So it's like 10 per hour. So that's around 30. Yes, a lot of songs.
Hindi naman siya nakaka-afford because songs are
Gusto niyo ba?
Yes po, yes.
Thank you.
Kasi maiba maganda rin yung lyrics, mas maganda yung tono, yung saya, nakakasaya siya. So parang nakikinig ka na ng concert na. Pero yung format po ng play, would it be song wall-to-wall na puro kanta lang? Or may actions and dialogues?
Like Miss Saigon.
Parang dialogue.
We need to practice, there is money, we need
Yes.
should be a very big theater.
Oo. So, yung mga staging. Sino po yung mga may production designer? Wala pa. So parang
Zero pa. So we're eyeing for our big producer as well. For us to have a team to have that kind of big of Miss Saigon.
parang skeleton crew pa lang din.
Yes.
Yan po. So maganda naman siya. Exciting po na mapanood na po.
Yes, kasi si A, papalitan na lang ng singer. Sorry, Archie, ha?
Thank you po. Congrats.
Hi, good evening, Omar here. So, my name is also Arabic. Kasi my...
Muhammad?
Omar.
Omar.
So,
Omar Sharif.
Yeah. Going back to the songs, I'm particularly curious, who are the artists that you listen to? Because who are your musical influences? Kasi, as I've observed on the genre of the song,
No, it's did you notice na mixture?
yeah,
Gaga, Arabic, French, Mushiri, mixture yan. We are all connected, especially with Messenger, Facebook. So we're attached to each other, others. Diba? So connected na tayo, kailangan yung musical natin modern na. Hindi concentrated sa isang nationality. Kailangan all over here kasi connected na tayo na. I think we believe in that. Right?
Yes.
So, one world, one love, one earth. Okay?
Thank you. Oliver, you have a question? You have a question.
I'm Oliver from Brother. I was so amazed you made it sound very Gen Z. So there are parts that are very youthful. So that is a surprise for me for a topic that is from an author who's more mature.
68 years old this year?
Yeah. And then
No, it's not the age. It's understanding the what is going on now.
yes.
With the young generation, with the old generation. Because, with Messenger, Facebook, etc., Instagram, you have to learn also the oldies, the mga retired. You know, that's life now. Or ethnic tayo. Diba?
So speaking of demographic po, so you're targeting both the young and the seasoned.
All. Even the old one. I'm already 68 years old, sir. So, kahit na 80. Diba? Bakit hindi? Diba?
Remember, on the second part of the song, it's about Paula's flight. We send a message that it's all of everyone's life, human life is very important. So that's our purpose, to capture everyone's attention that everyone's life is important.
Yes. It started bata ka pa. It's not because of your rich, that this one is poor, doesn't have anything to do with it. Basta maganda ang foundation. Walang tinatawag na mental problem. Okay? Kasi magiging ano yun eh, magiging ano mo yun eh, parang weapon mo yun na to fight. Kung maganda yung foundation. Like me. Hindi kami mayaman. Pero ang ganda ng foundation ko. Why? Umaakit ako sa puno na ang taas-taas, nag-jump ako sa dagat, pumunta ako sa mountain. Nang pumunta ako sa different culture, handang-handa yung feelings ko. Hindi ako magkakaroon. Yeah, partly magkakaroon din ako ng kaunting depression, like normal na yan. Yung you fall in love, tapos nawala yung love mo, etc. Normal yan lahat. Pero yung to fight, meron ka ng weapon doon. Kasi childhood yun eh, it started Oo, kasi you know the best is to love the nature. To love the earth, the birds, the sea, the mountain. You started loving yourself after. You'll be very, very strong. Like me.